Hi there, this is Mr. Boyd. Today, we are going to talk about 15 command prompt commands in Windows 10 that you should know. The command prompt has been around forever, and it's still a great resource to have at your disposal. The command prompt is a pretty useful tool. It allows you to do some things quicker than you can do them in the graphic interface, and offers some tools that you just can't find in the graphic interface at all. Okay, let's begin. The first on our list is check disk. Check disk is a system tool or utility on Windows operating systems that scans your hard drive for file system errors. Go to Start menu and type command prompt, right-click, and select Run as Administrator. In the command prompt window, type chkdsk/F. This command will attempt to fix errors while scanning your hard drive's file system. chkdsk/R will attempt to repair bad sectors on your hard drive so they're readable within the file system. Next on our list is Cipher command. Cipher can be used to encrypt or decrypt data on NTSC drives. This tool also lets you securely delete data by overwriting it. I will not go into details since I will be making a video specifically about the Cipher command and what you can do with it. Next on our list is ipconfig. This command is used to display information about your network configuration and refresh DHCP and DNS settings. Type ipconfig and press enter. The command will return information about each network adapter on your computer. You can also type ipconfig/all, and this will return a lot more info. ipconfig/release will release the IP addresses for all network adapters. ipconfig/renew will request a new IP from the DHCP server. ipconfig/display DNS will show every DNS record in your DNS cache. ipconfig/flush DNS will clear out your DNS cache. Next on our list is netstat. Netstat displays statistics for all network connections. There is a lot you can do with this command, and I'm not going now into details since I will be making a video specifically about this command. Coming next is PowerCFG. PowerCFG controls power plans, or so-called power schemes. There are a lot of command line options for PowerCFG, but in this video, I will cover only two. The first one is enabling and disabling hibernation. To enable hibernation, type PowerCFG/hibernate on. To disable hibernation, type PowerCFG/hibernate off. The second option is changing power plans. To change to a specific power plan, type PowerCFG/list to generate a list of available power plans. To change the current plan, type PowerCFG/set active and GUID. In my case, it is this one. Coming next is using Shutdown command. Here as well are many command line options, but I will talk about only two of these. The first one is performing a shutdown and starting the computer with advanced boot options. The advanced boot options experience is the environment that includes various tools to troubleshoot and fix problems on Windows 10. Type shutdown/R/O to restart the device into the advanced boot options experience. The second one is shutdown/S/F if you want your PC to shut down, forcing all apps to close without warning. Next command on our list is DISM, or Deployment Imaging Servicing and Management. DISM is used to prepare, modify, and repair system images. Type DISM/online/cleanup-image/check health to check for the health of system images. And if it needs fixing, type DISM/online/cleanup-image/restore health. Next on our list is SFC, or System File Checker. SFC is used for scanning and restoring of corrupted files. Type SFC/scan now and hit enter. Coming next is using VER command. VER command displays what version of MS-DOS or Windows command prompt you're using. Type VER and see your version. Next on our list is System Info. System Info command will show you all the specs for your system. I have blurred mine for security purposes. Coming next is Task List. Task List outputs a list of all the currently running processes. And along with this command comes the next command called Task Kill. Task kill allows you to kill a process either by its PID or by the name listed for it in the task list output. To stop a process by its ID, use task kill /F/PID and then the PID number. For an example, I want to stop the service runtime broker. Type task kill /F/PID and the PID number of the process and hit enter. You can see that the process with the desired PID has been terminated. Next on our list is using ASSOC command. ASSOC command displays or modifies file name extension associations. If used without parameters, ASSOC displays a list of all the current file name extension associations. I won't be going into details in this video about this specific command, as I will be making another video where I will tell you how to fully use this command and what it can actually do. Coming next is the command netch. Netch, also known as network shell, is a window-based command line utility to manage network interfaces and its configurations. Here again, there are a lot of command line options, but I will cover only two. The first one is for resetting WinSock entries to default. Type netch winsock reset catalog. The second is resetting TCP IP stack to installation default. Type nets hint IP reset. Here again, I will be making another video where I will cover more command line options. And the last one on our list is get MAC. Get MAC command is used for displaying the MAC addresses of your network adapters. Type get MAC. As you can see, the command prompt will show you the MAC addresses of all your network adapters that are installed on your PC. I am blurring mine for security purposes. If you have any questions, ask them in the comment section below. I will be more than happy to answer them. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this one. See you in the next video.